Your pre-market summary for Thursday, June 9th. Positive territory so far for stock futures. However, we are coming off slightly right now, coming off a pretty impressive sell-off yesterday, back into negative territory for all three U.S. markets. It has been a choppy, kind of range-bound week so far ahead of key inflation data coming up on Friday morning. Make sure you're with us Friday at 8:30. We'll give you the CPI number. Everyone awaiting ahead of the Fed decision we'll get next week. The ECB, it's worth noting, did not increase interest rates in its decision today, instead putting it off for their July meeting. That's a look at how things stand so far. 0.25% right now for the S&P, 0.3 for the Dow, the NASDAQ about 0.2. As I mentioned, positive territory, but only just. Bit of a pullback this morning for crude oil. What a tear it's been on all week long, back above the 120 level and then some. 0.3 for Bitcoin, Ethereum, 0.5%. Few things we're watching in the pre-market. What a wild ride so far for Alibaba shares. Bloomberg initially reporting that the Chinese regulators had given the go-ahead once again for the Ant IPO. China then comes out and said, hold on, we haven't reviewed anything. And then another Reuters report after that said, no, they have in fact given the go-ahead for the Ant IPO. So back to the upside once again after a huge day yesterday for Alibaba shares. NIO finally reports earnings. Yeah, it's not good. They're lower here in the pre-market. We'll give you all you need to know about NIO earnings. Join us at 8:30. Tesla with better than expected China-made vehicle deliveries in the month of May. That's out this morning. UBS with an upgrade on Tesla as well. It is moving higher so far. Pre-market. NVAX, on the other hand, continues to the downside here in the pre-market as CNBC is reporting the FDA might have to put off a final decision on their COVID-19 vaccine after that FDA panel gave its approval earlier this week. It's Meta time. Finally, we get META. You can retire FB as the symbol for Facebook's parent Meta Platforms. And Bilibili, a big mover here in the pre-market as well, down off of discouraging earnings. Coming up, guys, in less than 30 minutes, join us at the bottom of the hour. Grab the watch list, use the QR code on screen right now. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.